Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable location services of Grubhub. If you want to protect your privacy by concealing your location, then this video might be helpful. So let's get started. First, open settings on your mobile device. Now scroll down and tap on Apps option. Then select Manage Apps. Now, in the search bar, type in Grubhub and perform your search. Then tap on Grubhub app. Once this screen shows up, tap on Apps Permissions option. There you can find location option under Allowed option. Tap on it. Then select Don't Allow option. And this is how you can disable location services of Grubhub. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.